Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to set up WhatsApp reminders for your contacts so they can get notifications via WhatsApp. So in Expiration Reminder, you can track document expiration dates here in the expiration items screen. So here I have a list of all my expiration items. I have, in this case, employee certifications. I have the employee name and multiple document types here. But who will receive notifications about this expiration is determined by the contact here. So who is the contact assigned to that expiration item? In this case, it's Alex Fairbrother, okay? And right now, if I click on Alex Fairbrother details, I can see that I have his email address here set up, okay? And I can see that I have another field called phone number and WhatsApp field, okay? If I want this person, Alex, to receive notifications via WhatsApp, it's very simple. I just put the phone number here for his WhatsApp, and automatically the system will start sending notifications to WhatsApp. That's it, very simple. This works for international phone numbers too, okay? So you just need to put the country code of the country and the phone number. So if you are in like a +61, then you put +61, +31, +34, all those country code. You just start the phone number with the plus sign, the country code, and then the phone number, and the system will automatically pick it up and know that it is an international number. And any future notifications that will be sent to Alex, they will be automatically routed to that WhatsApp number for you. Okay, nothing you need to configure, it's all set up for you. You just put that number in there and that's it. Thanks again, and remember to subscribe so you can see more videos like this.